Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. I know everyone keeps messaging me and asking questions about the Pikes Peak. Now the full video ain't quite ready just yet because we're just waiting on a couple of accessories that should be in the next couple of days, so the video will be out soon. But yeah, let's have a little sneak peek at the Pikes Peak. Okay, here we go. What up? Alright boys and girls, the Pikes Peak. It's got the Olin suspension, it's got the 17-inch front wheel, it's got the single-sided swing arm, this beautiful livery on this bike. Yeah, so I've been getting ready a video of this bike against the Multistrada V4S and riding that back to back just to see the immediate difference. So it's not quite ready, but everyone keeps asking me all the time, where's the Pikes Peak, the Pikes Peak? So I thought I'd just give you the sneak peek of the Pikes Peak. Just wiggling my arse, the bike moves. It just drops in, this bike. Oh man. Man, this bike, I say in the next video we will be doing this on the Multistrada V4S as well. There is a difference. You know what? It feels like a supermoto with a V4 engine. And comfy. Liam should have a go at this, because if he wants his socks blown off so he don't hurt his fingers, this is the bike. So I'm just letting everyone know that I have got one to ride. I'm just waiting for a couple of parts for it. The video will be up hopefully next week, comparing it directly to the Multistrada V4S. But yeah, let's just say this bike is going to be a weapon. Yeah man, awesome, look at that. Well, so that was just a quick look at the Pikes Peak. Like I say, there is the full video coming, so hopefully should be in the next couple of days. We'll be riding it straight back to back with a Multistrada V4S, so we'll see the differences. But yeah, as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Man, what an awesome bike. Right, what are you having? Tea? I'll better have a coffee after that. It's cold out there, isn't it?
It's getting cold now. I'm glad we did those rides early.
Yeah, you got them all ridden?
Yeah, look at that.
What is that?
Coloured water, isn't it? Fucking hell. Fingers are so sore.
Why? What have you been doing?
Those bikes.
From riding them bikes?
Working on them.
Ah. What did you order to eat?
I haven't.
Oh, well you just went up there, looked at it, I'll come back down.
How was that Pikes Peak?
Oh, brilliant. It's lively. When you're on the throttle on it and it's going along with them Owen's faults that front wheel, it's
Do one for Matt.
Oh, what's he want?
Tea.
Tea. The Multistrada V4S is definitely stabler, like in a straight line. As you move to go in the corner, it's already turning. Do you know what I mean? Big supermoto on steroids.
It's my go-to bike.
That is a go-to bike. The only problem is we ain't got none to go to.
How do they make that steering so nice then compared to the other one?
17-inch front wheel, them Olin suspension.
What's the other one got? A 19-inch?
19-inch
Oh,
front
that's
wheel.
it then, isn't it?
Yeah, but you don't notice that 19-inch front wheel over the 1260, do you? In handling wise.
No.
I think they probably already had that in mind to put a 17-inch front wheel on it and just thought, as a road bike, this is too much. That's probably why they didn't release it with the 7 and literally saved it for the Pikes Peak. Because they've suddenly just made a weapon, ain't they?
They have indeed.
Still, lottery win, we can have one, can't we each? They go touring on it.
Yeah.
Round the Nürburgring.
Yeah.
That is rule all roads. do you think?
I think you're right. Did you take the tea bag out of mine?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, why?
Thought I saw something bobbing to the top.
That ain't the tea bag. Toothpaste's back.
Oh no.
Yeah. So you might get one next week yourself again.
Have you taken anything yet?
No,
Well, you better start taking some stuff
I
now.
was taking stuff last night, like painkillers.
I've got ibuprofen in the car.
You're like
I'm
a
a chemist.
legitimate fucking chemist.
A mobile chemist.
You're a mobile chemist. You ain't got any antibiotics in there, have you? I was taking antibiotics the other day at the cupboard, don't know what those for. They weren't even for me, they was for someone else.
What, the dog?
Yeah, the dog's antibiotics. I just took them. Work though. You know, like when you're sucking and tonguing your teeth. I've been sucking and tonguing all night.
Really?
Yeah.
I had a night similar to that the other day.
But your teeth weren't hurting.
I left them on the side.